Novo and Eli Lilly both have been on an absolute tear because of a lot of the sentiment around these anti-obesity drugs. How much can you take out of Novo Nordisk's results today and extrapolate into what this means for them in the future?
Yeah, thanks for having me. I think the fact that they were able to put up, greater than $1 billion in a quarter for Wegovy in a supply constrained situation is pretty spectacular. They told us last quarter that they were going to be restricting the starting doses in the United States, which is really the only market with a true commercial launch right now, by 50%. So being able to put up those numbers in light of that is pretty stunning and reflective of just very strong underlying demand.
Emily, how big is the first mover advantage for a company like Novo Nordisk with regard to this latest trend in anti-obesity drugs? These didn't start off as weight loss drugs. They started off as treatments for other types of perhaps diabetes-related situations and everything else. But now they've taken on a whole life of their own as anti-obesity. Is Novo in the best position right now?
Yeah, I mean, they were certainly first with Wegovy. Both Novo and Eli Lilly have really benefited from continuing to invest in the diabetes and obesity space, where a lot of other companies have scaled back investments. Obesity has just been a really difficult market to crack for the pharma industry over decades. And so the way that we're kind of thinking about it is that it's Novo, Eli Lilly, and then everybody else is just scrambling to catch up because these two companies have just such a very strong first move advantage between the two of them. So we get asked a lot, oh, is it Novo? Is it Lilly? I think both are going to win, and just it will be a number of years before anyone else is even close.
Okay, so speaking of Lilly, Mounjaro, that's the key franchise over at Lilly with regard to their diabetes treatment that could be used for something anti-obesity as well. What are the expectations in your mind with regard to how that dynamic plays out? You mentioned that both can win, but Eli Lilly and Novo are both trading at record highs or just near that right now because of this optimism. Is Eli Lilly also going to be as well positioned as Novo, given Mounjaro?
Yeah, I mean, I think at least for the near term, it's almost going to come down to who can make it fast enough, just because both of the companies cannot meet the underlying demand. And however, the other big news for Novo this week was, and what gives them maybe a little bit of an advantage from a commercial payer perspective in the near term, is they had just phenomenal results for the SELECT study this week. And so in very simple terms, what that study is showing is that you're not only losing weight when you take a drug like Wegovy, you have a 20% less chance of getting a heart attack or a stroke if you've already had one. And so that's real money that payers will be able to save. And Novo with Wegovy had their cardiovascular benefits trial read out before Lilly. Lilly's got one going on. So theirs is probably going to work too. But we think that Novo having this cardiovascular tangible results is really going to help them get insurers to pay for the drug.
All right, that's been the huge optimism case around it over the last couple of days. Emily, before we let you go, you mentioned it's Novo, Eli, and then everybody else. Who amongst the everybody else could be that catch-up trade if you missed Novo or Eli Lilly?
Yeah, so we get asked that a lot. Pfizer's not quite in phase 3 yet with an oral compound that they have at sort of the front of their pipeline. But this is just such a hot area that anytime you see a company with any clinical data, Amgen had phase 1 data in a very small number of patients that people got really excited about last year. Now, it takes a long time to get from phase 1 to get to an FDA-approved drug. But I think that it's certainly an area, well, I cover AstraZeneca as well. They're fully engaged in an earlier pipeline in obesity as well. So I think it's going to be some time before we have more data points from kind of who's really going to be out there in the commercial market. So for the time being, if you want to play obesity, I focus on Novo and Lilly.